Kospi has exploded higher plus 8.18% to $8,096.93, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 11th, and this is your complete global market briefing. A defensive tone is setting the pace today. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is down minus 1.62%, trading at $7,266.99. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is down minus 1.98%, trading at $28,508. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 gains while chip stocks drag down NASDAQ 100, Sherwood News. Dow Jones is down minus 1.87%, trading at $49,919. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX is down minus 1.71%, trading at $24,195. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 ticked up plus 0.27% to $10,255. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 6.06% to $302,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.48% to $408.75. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Nvidia made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.73% to $200.42. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nvidia earnings May 2026, record $81.6 billion revenue and RE growth analysis, Intellectia RE. Goldman Sachs dropped sharply minus 2.98% to $1,001.29. Equity markets are responding to reports that Goldman Sachs beats profit estimates, weak fixed income trading drags down shares. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude surged to $94.71 per barrel, up 3.56% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude surged to $91.85 per barrel, up 4.14% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas edged higher to $3.19, up 1.43% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold plunged to $4,094.10 per troy ounce, down 3.89% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold extends losses to more than 3% after crucial inflation report, Yahoo Finance Canada. Let us give you our near-term view on Kospi. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Kospi sits around $8,582.75. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, gaining 0% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.38, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears, stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals, trading view. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment, drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.